Alright, so I'm back, guys. Let's try to do this extension. Make it easier on me. This drill probably won't do it. It's a small Craftsman drill. Just make sure we're going the right way here. Yes, we were. We were going the right way. I love you, drill. This makes things way easier when you're trying to do stuff. So now we'll have to get these, which the second one I pulled out was the right size. On an angle. Not gonna be able to do it with that many extensions, so probably not with this drill. Dogs. 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 Get inside. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to do it with this. We might be able to take off the tire because, yeah, let's just take off the tire. Put this all back together. Put this and this back in here. Inch bit. Put that in my pocket for now. Just go back. And we'll go take this tire. So I don't know how low it's gonna sit, but it doesn't matter because we can just take it off and put it underneath. So maybe let this up and see if it comes off really. Of course not. Sure not importance in my pocket before I jam it up. Here. And we'll take that time to set it. Getting closer. So, as you can see, I have no back brakes. But I've had no back brakes the whole time. So I was driving around. No brakes. Front brakes barely worked. We might have to take off these brackets, which might be the 1/2 inch again. Nope. That's one we got. So we'll just take this off since we already got it in our hands. Put that in my pocket for now. I'm gonna have so many bolts in my pocket. Oh, did I break the bit? No, I did not. I was hoping I didn't. There it is. Get out of there. In the pocket. Next one. Oh, the drill really doesn't want it. Really does not want it. I don't want to break my drill. Because it is. It's a weak drill. I might have to pull out the real drill. What? Problem with the real drill is, once it goes, it goes. I'm not going to do that to my drill no more. I can't use my set because it doesn't drop down to this. I was going to buy a new set, but I haven't yet. You might have to work on that bolt on the back here to try to get it off instead of these ones, which is fine. Gives me a handle back there when I'm trying to take it down the steps. So let's try to get this off. Go to the front door.